in the Micromark headquarters and warehouse we do all of our shipping, but we carved out a piece of the building and brought on board Donald Becker, who's our master maker, and started our manufacturing of scientific kits several years ago. And I'm really proud of what he's been able to produce, really quality kits. And this is the section of this is our manufacturing section. A number of laser cutters in place, 3D printers, and he's the mastermind behind those designs. Tell us about what you do.
All right. Well, it first starts with the design and the idea of a structure that needs to be built. You know, we try to find historical structures, things that are trackside. So we start with that. We design them in software, two-dimensionally, with in mind that it'll be put together three-dimensionally. So these are some of the units that I use to cut my materials.
So you're doing buildings and pieces that go on layouts in NCL, HO, and O?
Yes. Yep. And we all know that model trains have been a big hobby for nearly a century. I don't see any signs of it declining, just being different. So we want to cater to some of these artists that want to create masterpieces. So I want to help be involved in that. And so
let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Show us how this machine works.
Okay. I use this wood to make most of my parts for the facades, for the internal structures, different thicknesses though. But today we're going to go with 16th inch. Shut the door here. It's not really good to stare at the laser. Yeah, I'm going to push play here. Alright, now we're working. Now I have this cut in a few different colors. A blue, a red, and a black. I've got the blue going first because I need that to be the first cut. It's described into the walls. But this will take about 5 minutes. And then I'll have finished pieces that look like this. Alright, so this is the cut we're doing right now. So these are the final pieces. Now, I'm building one. Now this is eventually what it's going to look like. Work in progress here. The windows are Tichy windows, which are an upgrade from the original Laser Art, which had laser cut windows. But they were, I found them to be slightly difficult to assemble. So this way you can just drop them right in. But these will eventually get bagged and packaged. Alright. So what we did is we laser cut described first. We did the windows, and then we did the border. Pops right out. You have your pieces. Alright, thanks for hanging out in the workshop. I'll see you next time.